Imagine the serene beaches of Jamaica in the early 1900s, with the rhythmic beats of mento music filling the air. This was a time when the sounds of mento, a distinct blend of African and European musical traditions, became the heartbeat of the island, reflecting its vibrant culture and spirit. Mento was not just music, it was a celebration of life, a sonic tapestry weaving tales of love, satire, and everyday scenarios. Its unique sound was characterized by acoustic instruments such as the banjo, the rumba box, and the bamboo saxophone. The lyrics, often filled with wit and humor, offered a candid snapshot of Jamaican life. Among the pioneers of this genre were charismatic artists like Lord Flea and Count Lasher. They breathed life into the music with their captivating performances and lyrical prowess. Lord Flea, with his blend of humor and satire, was a master storyteller, while Count Lasher's songs were powerful social commentaries, tackling issues of the time with a sharp wit. Their music, and that of their contemporaries, laid the foundation for the rich tapestry of Jamaican music that would follow. It was mento's infectious rhythm and unique sound that would later influence the development of other genres, like ska and reggae, shaping the global musical landscape in profound ways. While mento may not have gained the international recognition that its musical descendants did, it remains an integral part of Jamaica's cultural heritage. Its influence can still be heard in the music that emanates from the island, a testament to its enduring legacy. Mento was more than a genre, it was a movement, a vibrant expression of Jamaica's cultural identity. It set the rhythm of life on the island, narrating stories of the people, by the people, for the people. It captured the spirit of Jamaica in a way that no other music could. And thus, Mento set the stage for an exciting musical evolution that was about to unfold in Jamaica. As we delve deeper into this journey, we'll see how this humble genre paved the way for a musical revolution, echoing across the globe one beat at a time. As the 1950s rolled in, a new beat took over the Jamaican music scene, the vibrant and infectious rhythm of ska. As the sun set on the era of mento, the Jamaican music scene didn't skip a beat before it was swept up in the captivating rhythm of ska. This new genre was like a breath of fresh air, with its unique and lively beats. It was impossible to resist the urge to move, to dance, to feel the rhythm coursing through your veins. Emerging in the late 1950s, ska was the musical rebellion of a generation. It combined elements of Caribbean mento and calypso with American jazz and rhythm and blues. The result was a sound that was as innovative as it was infectious. The offbeat rhythm, the horn section, the walking bass line, all these elements came together to create a sonic experience that was uniquely ska. This genre wasn't just popular in Jamaica. Oh no, the ska fever spread far and wide, intoxicating music lovers around the globe. From the bustling dance halls of Kingston to the hip clubs of London, ska music had people shuffling their feet and swaying their hips. But ska wasn't just about catchy tunes and danceable beats. It was a cultural movement, a voice for the voiceless. It gave the Jamaican working class a platform to express their hopes, their fears, their dreams, and their struggles. Ska was more than just music, it was a reflection of the society from which it emerged. And the influence of ska didn't stop there. It played a pivotal role in shaping the Jamaican music scene. It was a stepping stone, a bridge that led to the development of other genres like rocksteady and reggae. It was the spark that ignited a musical revolution, a revolution that continues to reverberate through the annals of music history. The energetic beats of ska had indeed left an indelible mark on Jamaican music. And even today, you can still hear its echoes in the music that Jamaica gifts to the world. In the mid-1960s, Jamaican music began to slow down, giving birth to the smooth and soulful genre of rocksteady. This genre, which emerged as the successor to ska, was a unique harmony of slower, more relaxed rhythms and soul-touching lyrics that often reflected the socio-political landscape of Jamaica during that era. What set rocksteady apart was its distinct rhythm pattern. It was less frenetic than its predecessor, ska, but more groovy. The bass guitar played a prominent role, setting the pace with a walking bass line that truly made you feel the rhythm in your bones. The beat was infectious, the tempo, soothing. It was the kind of music that compelled you to close your eyes and sway gently, lost in its mesmerizing rhythm. What's more, rocksteady was more than just a genre of music. It was a cultural phenomenon that left an indelible mark on Jamaican culture. It was a voice for the masses, a medium through which the people expressed their thoughts, their hopes, their struggles. This was the era when music was not just about entertainment, it was about making a statement. about standing up for what you believed in. And how can we talk about Rocksteady without mentioning the notable artists who brought this genre to life? The Wailers, led by the legendary Bob Marley, were one of the most influential Rocksteady bands. Their soulful melodies and thought-provoking lyrics resonated with the people, making them a household name in Jamaica and beyond. Then there was Desmond Dekker, a singer-songwriter who won hearts with his melodious voice and poignant lyrics. His song, Israelites, was a Rocksteady classic that captured the essence of the genre. Rocksteady, with its soothing beats and meaningful lyrics, had indeed carved its own niche in the world of Jamaican music. As the 1960s came to a close, a new genre emerged from the heart of Jamaica, destined to become a global sensation: reggae. The rise of reggae was not just about a new style of music, it was a cultural revolution that voiced the struggles, hopes, and dreams of the Jamaican people. With its roots firmly planted in the rich musical soil of Mento, ska, and Rocksteady, reggae blossomed into a genre that was uniquely Jamaican yet universally appealing. At the heart of reggae's unique style is the distinctive rhythm known as the one-drop. In this beat, the emphasis is not on the first and third beats, as in most other music, but on the second and fourth. This rhythm, combined with the characteristic walking bass line and the choppy guitar riffs, creates a sound that is unmistakably reggae. But reggae is not just about the rhythm. The lyrics are a vital part of the genre, often addressing social and political issues. In a time of social unrest and political upheaval, reggae became a voice for the voiceless, a platform to express discontent, and a beacon of hope for a better future. One name stands out in the history of reggae: Bob Marley. With his band, the Wailers, Marley took reggae to the international stage. His music resonated with audiences worldwide, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. Songs like One Love, Three Little Birds, and Redemption Song are not just hits, they are anthems of peace, love, and unity. Marley's international success opened the door for other reggae artists to gain global recognition. Artists like Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer, and Gregory Isaacs, to name a few, continued to spread the reggae message far and wide. Reggae's impact on the global music scene is undeniable. From its influence on punk rock in the UK to hip-hop in the US, reggae's rhythmic heartbeat can be heard in countless genres across the globe. Even today, it continues to inspire musicians and captivate audiences with its unique style and compelling message. Reggae, with its universal appeal, had indeed made its way into the hearts of music lovers across the globe. The 1970s saw the birth of a new genre in Jamaica, one that was experimental, innovative, and captivating: dub music. This was a time of musical evolution when artists dared to push boundaries and experiment with sound like never before. Dub music was the brainchild of this adventurous spirit, characterized by its unique rhythm, heavy bass lines, and the innovative use of sound engineering. Imagine a reggae track, stripped down to its bare bones, then layered with echoes, reverb, and other sound effects. That's the essence of dub, a genre that turned the conventional idea of a song on its head. At the forefront of this musical revolution were two extraordinary artists, Lee Scratch Perry and King Tubby. Perry, known for his eccentric style and innovative production techniques, was instrumental in shaping the sound of dub. His studio, the Black Ark, was the birthplace of many seminal dub tracks. On the other hand, King Tubby, the undisputed master of dub, is revered for his pioneering work in sound manipulation. His innovative use of the mixing desk as an instrument in its own right gave dub its distinct character. But the 1970s was not just about dub. The Jamaican music scene was buzzing with creativity, giving birth to other genres like dub poetry and rockers reggae. Dub poetry, a form of performance poetry with a rhythmic, often political and social commentary, introduced a new way of expressing thought and emotion. Rockers reggae, on the other hand, brought a heavier, more rebellious sound to the scene, marking a shift from the softer, more romantic tones of earlier reggae. Dub music, with its innovative sound engineering and unique rhythm, had indeed added a new dimension to Jamaican music. It was more than just a genre. It was a bold statement of creativity and innovation, a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of Jamaica's rich musical heritage. From the rhythmic beats of Mento to the innovative sounds of dub, Jamaican music has indeed come a long way. Let's take a moment to appreciate this musical odyssey. From the vibrant plantations where Mento was born, carrying with it the joyful spirit of Jamaican folk traditions, the journey began. This was a precursor to the more globally recognized rhythms of ska and reggae. Then came the Ska Revolution, an upbeat tempo, a unique blend of jazz and Caribbean melodies. Ska was a sensation that swept across dance halls and radio waves, not just in Jamaica, but around the world. The energetic beats of ska then evolved into the smooth, rhythmic pulse of rocksteady, a genre that dominated the mid-60s and set the stage for what was to come next. Enter reggae, a genre that took the world by storm thanks to the legendary Bob Marley and his soulful melodies. Reggae was more than just music. It was a movement, a voice for the voiceless, a beacon of hope and unity. It transcended borders, transcended cultures, and became a global phenomenon. But the Jamaican musical journey didn't stop there. The 70s saw the birth of dub, a genre that ventured into uncharted territories with its innovative use of sound systems and studio effects, thanks to pioneers like King Tubby and Lee Scratch Perry. And let's not forget the genres that were influenced by this musical powerhouse. Jazz, dancehall, reggae fusion, and more have all been touched by the Jamaican beat. Today, the echoes of Jamaican music can be heard in chart-topping hits across a variety of genres worldwide. This musical legacy, born on a small island in the Caribbean, has become a universal language, a testament to the power of creativity and cultural expression. It has not only shaped the sound of music, but also the hearts of those who listen to it. Jamaican music, with its rich history and global influence, continues to resonate with music lovers across the globe, leaving them with a rhythm they can't resist. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.